Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking with me, Priya Jithin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make red velvet cake with only 3 ingredients. Without further delay, let's get baking. So the 3 ingredients that is required to make the red velvet cake is a pack of Oreo red velvet biscuits. You can also use red velvet cookies if you want to, baking powder, and half a glass of milk. So I'm just going to make these cookies into a fine powder. As you can see, I'm making this into a fine powder with the cream inside. This is what gives the sugary taste to the cake. So I've made a fine powder of the cookies. Now I'm just going to add it into the bowl. Now to this, I'm adding half a cup of milk. Next to this, I'm adding a 1/4 spoon of baking powder. I'm just going to mix all this together. Now the cake batter is ready to be poured into the cake tin. So I've greased the cake tin with some butter and flour. I'm just going to be pouring this into the cake tin. So I'm just making a 1-serve cake today. You can increase the quantity of the ingredients for more serves. So I've preheated the oven for about 20 minutes on 180 degrees. Now I'm just going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes on 180 as well. And after 30 minutes, the cake should be ready. And there you go viewers, red velvet cake is ready. I took it out of the oven 30 minutes ago and I just kept it aside. Now it's cooled down. I'm going to put the top frosting and it should be ready to eat. So for the frosting, I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese. And there you go viewers, this is how you make quick and easy red velvet cake with only the simplest ingredients from your pantry. I hope you've liked the recipe. If you did, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting recipes by me. Don't forget to like the video and comment if you've liked the recipe as well. With a new video, I'll meet you next time. Until then, this is Priya Jithin signing off.